Welcome to this video of mine right now. So I'm right now in Waltham City, where most of the people know that Africans or Ugandans live in America. This is Waltham parking area, so you have to pay. That's why you see you have to insert here. No, carry.
Huh?
No,
They know.
they know. Once they do
I
that,
remember one time
once you pay and you get that receipt, so they have
the record.
they have a computer which they will come and put on your plate.
Oh.
When it comes to your, it will read your plate. So even if you don't have even if you don't put a receipt on that dashboard in the car, they will see, they will know.
It will still read.
Yes, let's keep going. So we are now, this is the store you see here, but we are trying to find out, we are going to the main door. The main door is at the front there. That's where we shall get in. And right now the street where we are moving on is what they call, what I said as Moody Street. This one is called Sprouse. This is Sprouse Street. But that one you see here, this is what they call Moody Street. This is the store, Indian market. They also sell some chewable. So this is Moody Street. This one you see, Moody Street. It's one of the busiest streets here. People come here and buy food. As you see, this is Farmers Indian market. So this is where people come and buy food.
This is Kericho tea.
Kericho. So
If you are from
guys,
Kenya.
if you're from Kenya, Uganda, and you like the African taste of coffee, tea, you can find it here. So you can see my brothers picked one, and there are so many here. We also have here peanuts. The peanuts. We have here Goya, which is posho.
Is this a little while you pick from? Maybe this is from. Is this from Kenya?
This is what? Nido?
Nilo.
We also have honey, people who don't take sugar. But some of them are not original, you know, they are not organic. So you have to be careful. This is African store, Indian market, located here in Waltham City. People who, if you need African taste of food and you're here in America, living around Waltham or near any town near Waltham, just come to Indian store at Moody Street. We have different brands of coffee here. Decaffeinated coffee.
It is sugar free.
Look at this ginger.
Curry biscuits.
There are so many different tastes of coffee, tea.
This is honey ginger tea. Honey ginger tea. Koye lokwa kungoni amonera ichina.
Anyone?
What kind of ginger tea? Ginger tea.
This one I think is better. This one is, I look at this.
What about this ginger tea?
From where?
Then there's this ginger.
See, this one is mixed with this kind of whatever and ginger.
Sour soup. Oh.
Then you see
This one is
yeah.
just table red. Yes, it's a
so green tea. That is now
matcha flavor.
matcha flavor.
It's in sockets, by the way.
In sockets?
Yeah,
What is wrong with that?
it's sockets.
What is wrong with sockets?
I always don't like sockets.
Why?
So we are here trying to take choice of the best tea.
What is the same thing?
So a lot of other program here in Lobore. Low radio. The program Low Radio this year, how did it go?
Is it product? This is product.
I've never eaten that.
The same chapati kapaji. What do you see?
I don't know. I'm a metal or Lisa Palu condition. Hosting items. Sio lakini
Spices.
for
Oh, the brand. Which brand are you looking for? Tropical? Tropical, yeah?
For the community.
That's complete familiar. Yeah, that is all yes. Yeah.
Very cool. Very cool.
Heroico. Heroico.
I'm more.
I'm reading about them like information. Pure ground, okay?
What about tea masala, not pilau
Same.
masala?
Masala, spices and
So what over there? You have to go over there. Matana. Yes, you okay? Tea masala.
tea masala. We just mix up the spices if you
What?
want. You can mix up the whatever the other one, the hard one, and then you add the other. No, you can do it.
Itemun bodone nerbore dumu japa.
So you can take that for now.
I don't know.
What do you have to do? What is that?
Ogalo Kenya.
So what you go?
I think I need that ogalo.
So we are done with our shopping from the Indian store. We are now on our way back. That's the store. This is the Moody Street. And we are heading out. That trucker you see there is a truck that helps to bring here food. These people go to different places, different states, and collect food from different states and bring it here. More so like California, and then they come and drop them here. Yeah, so please like my page, like my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and write your comment. Drop your comment down there. What do you think about my video? What do you think about that Indian store? What advice do you have? So write your comment and drop it down there on the comment section.
My YouTube, subscribe, kiss my dick, baby I love you.